Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove password from PDF without using Chrome. First, go to Microsoft Store and download an application called I Love PDF after installation. Open the app and go to Tools, and from Tools, scroll down until you find the option called Unlock PDF. Click on Open File and click on the password protected file that you want to unlock. Open it and enter the password. Click on Apply. To save it, click on Open Folder. And you see Document Protected Unlocked is saved inside local disk C. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.